Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and in this video I'm gonna show you 5 tricks you must try on this smartphone. Enjoy watching this video! So I was using this smartphone for a little while, and within years of experience in tech tutorials I can tell you the 5 tricks that you should know about while using this smartphone. And this will make your life easier, and maybe you can find the features that you didn't know about. So at first, let's open the settings and then scroll down to move to the advanced features. In these settings, we can enable the get into the motions and gestures, and here we have a lot of super useful options. So lift to wake, turning on the screen when you pick up your phone. I like this feature, but usually I don't activate it because I like my smartphone to be locked until I look at it or click the proper button. Double tap to turn on screen, so if you double tap on your screen then it will be turned on, or you can double tap to turn off screen also. So it works like this: if you just tap on an empty field that your screen locks, if you tap one more time then it goes on. So that was the helpful things. Now you can enable the alert when phone is picked up, mute with gestures, so if you have incoming calls or alarms or some notifications, then you can just place your hand on the screen like this and it will mute all the music comes from calls and alarms. And you can enable the palm swipe to capture, so what you can do is place your hand like this and just move it from the left to the right to take a screenshot. So yeah, that was a very useful option. You should know about these settings, motion and gestures. Now we can go to the another thing, and one-handed mode is one of them, because if you're using the gesture navigation or button navigation, then you can use in both methods the one-handed mode. Sometimes in some major brands you can only use one-handed mode in gesture navigation, and I don't really like this kind of thinking, but fortunately Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 gives us opportunity to use one-handed mode also on 3-button navigation. Well, what you have to do is just double press the home button, and it's super useful sometimes, so I'm double pressing this. For example, you are on the walk with your dog and you have to hold the leash in one hand, and you looking for something on your smartphone in the other hand. And if you have hands small like me, then it's hard to reach all of the corners and all the places on the screen only by using one hand. So one-handed mode helps me with that, and I can just drag this screen to make it bigger or smaller. I can also drag this screen to the top or to the bottom, or use this arrow to change it to the right or left. If I want to exit this mode, I just need to tap on the empty field and it will be back to the normal size. So yeah, that also was the super useful mode. All of the smartphones these days gives you the opportunity to use this feature, so you should know about it. And for the other tricks, you should get into the security and privacy, and because you have the personal data on your smartphone, and we all need to keep our privacy and don't let other people get into our lives so easy, then you should protect your smartphone from strangers, and this is by using a lock screen. So here you have to get into the lock screen. I previously added the pattern, so I had to type this pattern to open these settings. But in these settings you can see a lot of methods to unlock your smartphone. It's PIN, password, pattern, swipe. You can use none, but I don't recommend it. And also you can use face recognition and fingerprints. For me, the better way, the best way is pattern or these two things. And yeah, that was it. Remember that about your lock screen. Do it and don't think about it. After that, you should get into the home screen, and in here you can, oh no, sorry, it's not home screen, it's lock screen and AOD. And what I want from these settings is screen lock and biometrics. Sorry, I did show you that. My bad. Let's move on. That didn't happen. So right now you should get into the device care, and if you're feeling that your device slowing down or have some issues with performance, then you should get into the device care and do the checking for some threats like malware or viruses, and it will checking your also health condition, the storage you have left and memory. So this is a very good option, and you should do it for time to time, because you have to always check if your smartphone is safe enough. After that, you should get into the general management. Or no, let me show you some other things. So here we have a additional feature that allows us to get into the quick menu like this, and here we can set it up by using this gear icon here. So if you unroll this and get into the settings, you can choose what you want: applications, people, tasks, weather, tools, clipboard, reminder, whatever you want. You can also uninstall this or hide on lock screen, and you can also get to the previous page and disable edge panels on or off. You can turn it on or off here. You can choose, like I said, the panels. You can choose the position on the left or right on the lock screen, style you wish to have, transparency, size with it. You can just customize it in a way you wish to use it. So yeah, that was it. I think that was the last thing I wish to show you. Maybe I can show you that if you press the pencil icon here, you can just manage the tiles here that you have for applications that you give a quick access. I think it's a very useful option, because it gives you the possibility to just get into the proper application by using two tabs. But of course you have also the app drawer, and you can just press here and find for anything you want to have it. Maybe if you are a user of two accounts of Facebook, I can show you that in the settings, if you get into the advanced features, and on the bottom you should see the dual messenger and the available apps. I think the Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram gives you possibility to use dual application. So yeah, you should enable it and install the second application. Yeah, I want to use a regular contacts. So second copy of Facebook is installed, and if I type on app drawer the Facebook, I can see my original Facebook application and the other one, so I can use the two accounts at the same time. I don't want to every time log in on the another account. So this is a very useful feature, and I think it's very good, because if you have an account that's your private account and maybe the another one for friends or for work, then it's very good. It works same with application I said earlier, Messenger, WhatsApp and Instagram. So yeah, that was it, and this is the final words. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.